Howdy, Yang. Kevin here, but you know that. Today, we're doing an Asylum 13 Ogre, which is a barber pole. And I think we're going to maybe hit a little tin cup with that. Been busier than heck the last couple of weeks teaching classes. Well, not teaching classes, because I don't do that much teaching anymore. I'm the camp master, which means I run the camp, take care of the year, do all that kind of stuff. But anyway, took some flack over the Do the Right Thing video. Especially with that thing about pulling away from the pumps. If you have to start your story with, well, I only do that when, you may want to think about that. No one can force you to do the right thing. It's all up to you. Did I show the bottle? Did I do that? Tin cup whiskey. Sorry, I've been a little remiss on the videos lately. But, a lot of stuff's going on. A lot of stuff. Let's see, what do I want to talk about tonight? I guess we probably need to go over it again, based on a couple of conversations I've had recently. Y'all know that the U.S. government only has one source of income, right? That's us, the taxpayers. They don't have jobs that they do for cash. They don't provide services that they do for cash. It's funny how they pay for all that stuff with taxpayer money and then charge other taxpayers to do the thing that they've already been paid to do, thus taking more money away from the taxpayers. I want you guys to think about how often a dollar is taxed. Everybody likes to say, well, you know, other countries do this, other countries do that. I don't care what other countries do. I don't have a dog in that fight, so I don't care what they're doing over there. Caught a cold about a week ago. Cough every once in a while. But anyhow, I want you to think about how often a dollar is taxed. Which makes a dollar worth less and less and less and less and less. Think about it. You've got a big company who sells a product or a service. All that money that comes to that business is taxed by either as a corporate income tax or other types of taxes. Then they pay that money out to workers. And all that money's taxed again, which is money that was already taxed. You know what I mean? So we tax all that again, coming to the workers as income taxes and Social Security and state taxes and all the other stuff that disguises itself as taxes but aren't. Then you go and pay your bills. And you have to pay sales tax when you buy stuff. You have to pay property taxes on money on a property that you were taxed on for the last 20 years or 30 or whatever. So those are all the same dollars getting taxed over and over again. Just think about it. There's almost no money that's not taxed into non-existence. And yet we're here, the governments keep telling us they have to tax us more to pay for more stuff that doesn't benefit any of us, or benefits very, very few of us. Let's think about how much of our tax dollars they send overseas to countries who hate us. Let's think about how much of our tax dollars that they spend on frivolous chasing each other around to make each other look bad. Think about all of our taxpayer money that is wasted by them campaigning when they should be doing the job that they're getting paid for. It's a sad, sad nation we're living in now. Still the greatest one on the planet, but I can't believe how gullible they think we are. Remember a few years back when a certain president said that his administration was going to be the most transparent in history? Bills were going to be available for review to the public and da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Were you surprised that none of that actually happened? Yeah, me neither. Me neither. Time to call your congressmen and senators, state reps, governors, everybody all the way up the chain. Tell them you're tired of the nonsense. Government needs to get back smaller again because they're not doing us any favors. They spend all their time thinking about getting reelected instead of doing the job. I'd like to get all fired up about this, but I'm more depressed by the way it's going than anything else. Not clinically depressed, so don't send your doctor over here. It just amazes me how much we're putting up with nowadays. And it's not just from the government, it's from businesses and fellow citizenry and so on and so forth that just can't do what they're supposed to do. I guess it's just going to be a whole series on can't do what you're supposed to do, huh? I guess this one's really about taxes, though. All of your money is taxed over and over and over again. Think about it. Think about getting a hotel room. Innkeeper taxes. What the hell are those? And why is this a special tax? Maybe we'll just go through taxes one by one and go through the math and see exactly why it's nonsense. Most of you watching this don't already know. Show it to your friends. Of course, there's not much informative right here, but you know. So I will keep this short today because I've only got 2 days home this week. And then I will be back over in the woods. And on that note, see you in the woods. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your views. Thanks for your support. Check out 5 Elements Tactical. I think he's got a YouTube channel. Talk to y'all later. Bye.